Hi everyone, happy self-care day and happy holidays. Today we're going to be making snow globes that look similar to mine. Before we begin, we're going to need a few materials. We can either have colored pencils or markers. We're going to need some snow. We can either use a glue stick, or I do prefer the double-sided adhesive tabs. They work better to me than the glue stick. We are also going to need a pair of scissors. We are also going to need our pictures to color in that are going to go inside of the snow globe. And we also need a circle, which is going to be the base of our snow globe. The last thing that we'll need is a bow, and you could choose from any of the bows that you have. So the first thing that we want to do is choose the pictures that we are going to be coloring. And so we have two different coloring sheets to choose from here, and we can't unfortunately fit all of our pictures, so we also want to go ahead and choose at least 2 to 3. You can try to fit more, but you don't want it to be too cramped. It really depends on where you're going to place your pictures in the snow globe. And so I'm actually gonna go ahead and choose 4. And so the 4 that I'm gonna be using today are the Santa, the Christmas tree, the little present, and then the longer looking present here. Now that I've chosen the pictures that I'm going to be using, I'm gonna go ahead and color them in. Here are my pictures all colored in. So before we actually go ahead and cut out our photos, we want to also color our base. So this is gonna go in the bottom of your snow globe jar, just to bring more color to your snow globe. So you can color this any color that you want. So let's go ahead and color in our base. All right, so now that we have both papers colored in, we can go ahead and cut. As we are cutting this paper that has the dotted lines, we want to make sure that we are cutting around the dotted lines. We are not cutting over here, otherwise we won't be able to fold and make our pictures stick. So just be mindful that you are only cutting around your pictures. Now that we have all of our pictures colored and cut out, we're gonna go ahead and add them to our snow globe. For our snow globes, we wanna make sure that we are holding it upside down so that our cover is at the bottom. That's gonna be our base. And so I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew it. And in here is where our circle is gonna go. And we can either use glue, or we can use one of the adhesive tabs to keep it in place. I'm gonna use an adhesive tab. These are double-sided. So first I'm just gonna place it in the middle here, and then there's a tab here that I'm gonna pull off. And now I'm gonna take my circle and I'm gonna go ahead and place it and push down so it is secure. And so this is what it looks like. Now that our circle is in place, we can go ahead and take our pictures and put them in. So I'm gonna start by folding them like so, and then just opening them like that. So it should look like this. After we're done folding our pictures, we can go ahead and now paste them into our circle, either using our sticky tabs or glue. Before we paste our pictures down, we just want to make sure we know where we are going to exactly place these, because once they go down, they are going to stay. So for me, I know that I want to put my tree somewhere in the middle here, and then I know that I want to put Santa Claus in front of the tree, and then I'll probably have the large Christmas box right behind Santa, and then the smaller present right in front. So let's go ahead and paste our photos down. So now we're going to go ahead and add our snow, and we want to make sure that we're putting it into this side so that when we screw on, we can go ahead and then flip it over. Taking a spoon, I'm just going to go ahead and grab some here and then put it inside. And so that's about how much you want, because you don't want too much and then it covers the pictures. Now that you have your snow inside, we can go ahead and turn our cover upside down, and so it looks like this, and then we flip, and there is our snow globe. But to complete this look, we're gonna go ahead and add a bow on top like so. And now I'm gonna take my bow and place it right on top. And here is our finished snow globe. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.